Hello everyone, welcome back to Winner's Capsule. In this session I will be discussing most important questions related to antonyms. What is the antonym of exaggerate? Option A, understate, option B, overstate, option C, amplify, and option D, magnify. Exaggerate is nothing but you are speaking a small thing in a bigger manner. You are elaborating the things. Okay, so the right answer is the opposite word meaning of exaggerate is understate. Rest of the things are similar word meaning. Overstate, amplify, magnify, all are similar to exaggerate. The opposite word meaning of exaggerate is understate. Let us discuss next question. What is the opposite word meaning of austere? Option A, ejection, option B, acceptance, option C, removal, and option D, termination. The right answer, that means opposite to the austere, is acceptance. Rest of the things like ejection, removal, termination, all are similar to austere. That means you can say the ejection, removal, terminations are synonyms, where acceptance is antonyms to austere. Let's discuss question number 3. What is the opposite word meaning of revive? Option A, restore, option B, rescue, option C, recover, and option D, torpify. The right answer is torpify. Rest of the things are restore, rescue, recover, all are similar word meaning of revive except torpify. So torpify is just opposite of revive. So I need to choose option number D, torpify. Let's discuss question number 4. What is the opposite word meaning of proud? Option A, hunt, option B, snoop, option C, stag, and option D, set down. So set down is the right answer. Opposite word meaning of proud is set down. Now let's discuss question number 5. What is the opposite word meaning of fatality? Option A, death, option B, casualty, option C, mortality, and option number D, birth. See these three options, death, casualty, mortality, all are similar word meaning of fatality except birth. So I can choose birth is the opposite word meaning of fatality. So option number D is the right answer for this question. Now let us discuss on question number 6. What is the opposite word meaning of refrain? Option A, avoid, option B, stop, option C, go on, option D, discontinue. You can observe avoid, stop, discontinue, all are similar word meaning, that is similar to refrain. But the go on, the word meaning go on, that is just opposite to that of refrain. So I can choose the antonyms of refrain is go on. So option number C is the right answer for this question. Let's discuss next question. What is the opposite word meaning or what is the antonym of quarantine? Option A, separation, option B, detention, option C, sequestration, option D, integrate. Option A, B, C, all are similar, just like similar word meaning of quarantine, but integrate is opposite to that of quarantine. So I can opt option number D. Option number D is the right answer for this question. So opposite to quarantine is integrate. Now let's discuss the question number 8. Scribe. What is the opposite word meaning of scribe? Non-author, writer, scrivener, penman. These three options you can look at. Writer, scrivener, penman. All are similar word meaning which is similar to scribe, but non-author which is opposite to that of scribe. So option number A is the correct answer for this question. Let's discuss question number 9. Differ. What is the opposite word meaning of differ? Put off, postpone, stand up to, give away. Opposite word meaning of differ is stand up to. So you can opt option number C. Let's discuss the last question. Stigma. What is the opposite word meaning of stigma? Honor, disagree, shame, blot. So I can opt the first option. Honor is just opposite to that of stigma. Option number A is the correct answer for this question. So thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe for more videos. I need your continuous support for the upcoming days. I have one more channel for technical studies. Please do subscribe this channel also. That is namely Simplified Triple Studies. So thank you very much.